Sony makes the best smartphone camera sensors, but their smartphone camera game is average to say the least. But all that's about to change with the new Xperia 1, and here's why. Sony is a very big player in the smartphone industry, mostly because they supply every company except Samsung, Huawei and Nokia with camera sensors. In case you didn't know, Sony makes top-notch mirrorless cameras in its Alpha division, but the camera performance of its smartphone division is quite mediocre. And the reason for this is because of the rivalry that exists between the mobile division and the Alpha mirrorless division. According to one of Sony's senior managers, Alpha didn't want to give the mobile division certain things because they didn't want the smartphone cameras to be as good and as feature-rich as their high-end $4,000 mirrorless camera. Here's the thing, Sony. I don't think the people that buy these $4,000 cameras care about smartphone cameras because they are totally different products. And if you're going for such a high-end mirrorless camera, you're not going to care how good a smartphone camera is. But thankfully, all that's about to change because Kimio Maki, who was the former head of Sony's Alpha division, is now the head of the mobile division, and his new approach is to collaborate the Alpha and mobile division to get better camera performance from the mobile division. So basically, they're bringing Alpha quality camera tech to their mobile phones, and considering the reputation of Alpha, it's safe to assume that Google, Apple, Samsung and Huawei are in trouble on the camera front. There's going to be some significant improvement in image processing and the overall picture and video quality. With the Xperia 1 being their first phone with Alpha style cameras, I really can't wait to see how it performs. We've already seen the Alpha Eye autofocus being shown off on the Xperia 1 and it looks really promising. The phone also has the world's first 4K OLED display on a smartphone in a 21:9 aspect ratio, also the first of its kind. And with the triple camera setup at the back, Sony is saying you can shoot some cinema quality footage on this phone. Overall, the Xperia 1 is shaping up to be a great device and has a lot going for it, especially those Alpha style cameras. This is the only Sony phone that has gotten me excited about Sony devices after the original Xperia Z, so I can't wait to see how it actually performs. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of this device and of Sony's new collaboration. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with friends. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.